Hello everyone, welcome to you my YouTube channel VBA Automation Tutorial Point. If you are new on this channel, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon to get the updated videos. Right. So guys, today we will learn about for loop. What is for loop and how does it work and what are the benefits of for loop using in a coding, right? So let me tell you what is for loop with the help of coding, right? So for this we will open the code window with the help of Alt F11, right? So now I'm going to insert a module, right? New module. Click on insert, then here you can see the module. Now you need to click on module. Now we have inserted a new module which name is module 6. Inside the module you can write a subroutine, right, where you have to write a code to understand the just logic of for loop, right? How does it works, right? So now I'm writing a subroutine which name is for loop, right guys? So to understand the for loop, so what is the for loop, guys? What for loop is, just sometimes we have a requirement where I need to insert it or just get the values from the thousand of data, right? So how would you do that? Just if you don't have a loop, so you will calculate or just you will insert the value one by one, or just you will get the data from the worksheet one by one, right? So if you have the loop, so you just simply inserted a value in a one click, right? So let me tell you. First I'm declaring, suppose guys I want to print or I want to write 10 numbers from 1 to 10. So how would we write with the help of loop? Let me tell you. So first I'm declaring I variable type of integer. Right. So guys, why we are using integer? Because we have a numeric value. Right guys, if you have a numeric value, this you will take integer. If you have a text or a string, you will take string characters, right? If you have a decimals, then you will take decimals here, right? If you have a date, then you will select a date, right? So we have multiples data type. If you will use variant, so variant data type can take the old data type, right? Can take. Okay, so guys I'm writing a 4, right? So 4 I equal to 1 to 10 means what? First you have to initialize the for loop from where you want to start, right? I want to start from 1 to 10. 10 means I want the execution of 10 times, right? And step 1 means for loops will be incremented by 1. If you would write 2 here, that is incremented by 2, right guys? So now I'm going to print the value, debug.print I, right? Now I'm going now I have written the next is what? To increment the loops. So now I'm going to execute the code one by one with the help of F8, right? And now you can see the output after the single execution, right? So now I'm going to execute. Now you can see here loop is executed one time, so it's print 1, right? Because I start from 1, right? And now it's incremented now by 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Now I value is 2. So 2 value will be printed here, right? Now the loop is incremented by 1. Now you can see the I value is 3, right? So it will print the value till 10, right? Until it's finished the limit, right? Once it found the 10, it will terminate, right? Now loop has been terminated and it's moved outside the loop and program has executed. Now you can see that 10 numbers has been printed here, right? So this is the execution of the single for loop. Guys, if you want to work with the two for loops, then how would you do that? Right, so for this I'm declaring a one more variable which name is j type of integer, right guys? So let me show you that how two loops are working, right? So for this I'm declaring another for loop which start from 1 to 2, right? And also step 1 that is incremented by 1, right guys? So guys, here you need to understand how two loops are working or how multiple loops are working, right? So guys, this is the external loop and this is the internal loop, right? So first what will happen, first internal loop will execute completely. Once it's finished, then just control goes to the external loop, right? So now you need to understand and see the screen. Now I'm going to print the value j and write value of I is something like this, right? I. All right. Now I need to increment this loop as well, right guys? Now you can see that we have two loops and we will see that how will they work, right? So I'm going to execute the program one by one. Now you can see here I equal to 1. First loop has been initiated, right? Here I equal to 1, right? And here, and the second loop has also initiated j equal to 1 to 2. It means this loop will be executed twice because it's start from a and the limit is 2, right? So it will execute it 2 times. Now you can see that here j value is 1, right? And I value is 1, right? Now it's incremented and this control goes to the again j loop, right? Now j value is 2, right? But I is still 1, right? I already told you. And just first this loop will be executed. After finishing this loop, the control goes to this loop, right? Now this loop has been finished. Now you can see that I value will be incremented, right? Now I is equal to, now what I has 2, right? Now you can see here, right? One value of I is equal to 2. I is 2 here, right? Here you can see as well 2. J is 2 here and I value is still 2 here, right? So now you can see, now I'm going to execute, right? Here I value is 3, right? Now this will loop executed twicely, right? So this will happen still until I equal to 10, right? So I'm going to execute this program once by clicking F5, right? So now you can see here one value I equal to 1 value of I is 9, right? 2 value of I is 9, right guys? Okay guys, so this is for enough for this video. Just thanks for the watching this video, and in the next video I'll continue the for loops. So please keep watching the next video to learn the for loop concept, right guys? So if you have any concern, any query in this video, so please write your comments in the comment box. I'll get back to you, or just I'll make the new video on that. So thanks guys, thanks for the watching.